Hi there, welcome to the customer service bench. My name is Giovanni. Have you ever stopped to think about what it means to be an ambassador? An ambassador is someone reliable. Is someone who knows the laws of his country and is willing to know and respect the laws of the country where he is staying in. An ambassador means someone worthy to go on behalf of his country. The ambassadors of each country have legally a piece of their land in other countries called embassies. They represent their country in other cultures with a different language, with different customs, and they must show respect and courtesy at all times towards citizens. Likewise, we work where or not, we are ambassadors of our brands. We are the representative of our companies or businesses. We are the visible image of our projects. We are sellers of what we have. If I ask you now, how are you doing in your work? Wouldn't it be very easy you respond you're doing well? But I have another question, my friend. Have you ever stopped to think about what is the visible image that you are leaving in your clients, in your customers, about your business or project? My friend, we are ambassadors of our brands. See you in the next video.